Welcome to your second video on HTML. Once again, I'm Hamza, and in the first video we spoke about what HTML is, how to download the VS Code and how to set it up. So in case you missed it, you can just stop this video and then watch that one, then you later come and continue with this one. So now that we have our VS Code set up, let's start creating or writing some code. So the first thing we have to do, the first line of code we have to write is the document type. Okay, so the document type is basically a way of telling which type of document we are going to be working with. Okay, that is the lamest way I can explain it, but then just as the name goes, document type. Okay, so we are telling our documents we are going to be working with HTML, something like that. So another thing about HTML you should know is it makes use of something we call tags. Okay, and then these tags are produced using less than and then greater than signs. Okay, so our first line of code, we open our tag and then in between an exclamation mark and then doc type HTML. So this is the first line of code we write. The exclamation mark document type or doc type HTML. The doc type here can be all caps, or you can type it in lowercase too. Okay, so after we've written this line of code, we go on to open another tag, and then this is the HTML tag. Okay, so this particular tag is an opening and closing tag. Okay, yes, we have two types of tags in HTML. For now, we have the single tags and then double tags. So the double tags makes use of the opening and closing tags. Okay, so for this HTML tag, say I open my less than and then HTML, I close it. So just as you saw, one thing about VS Code is when you type the code, it completes your code for you. Okay, that is one awesome thing about VS Code. If you were using Notepad, you would have to type out everything yourself, but then with VS Code, it completes some codes for you. Okay, so this is our opening and closing tags. The first one being our opening tag, and then the second one our closing tags. Our closing tag, obviously. So as you can see, the closing tag has a / in front of the HTML. So that is how to identify your opening and closing tags. So now everything we type must go in between these opening and closing tags. Okay, so the next line of code we write, or the next tag we open, is the head tag. Head, and it has been completed for us. After the head tag, we open the body tag. So the head tag is this is where we write some background code, some technical stuff. Okay, whatever you put in the head tag won't actually appear on our page. Okay, it is just some technical stuff, some background stuff, but whatever you type in your body will appear on your page. So one thing we can type in between these head tag is our title, and then the title is just when you look over here, what appears here, and this is what we call the title. Okay, so whatever title you want to give your document, you just type it here. So I would like to give mine the title of home page. Okay, so now I come into the body and I type whatever I want. So what should I type? Okay, so what should I type? I think this is okay. I can save my work using the shortcut Ctrl S, and then I just go to my folder, open my index file, and then yeah, as you can see, what I typed in the body is what is appearing on the page. Okay, and then you can see over here the title, which says home page. Yes, and then this is what I typed in the body. What should I type? You can see it here on the page. Yeah, so let me just make some few changes to it. Yes, this is it. Then I save, I refresh the page. Yeah, so whatever you type in your body will reflect on your page. Yes, and then anytime you make any changes to your code, make sure you save it, and then you come to your page and you refresh. If you don't save your work, it won't appear on your page. Yeah, so that will be it for this tutorial tool. Once again, I'm Hamza. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. See you in the next tutorial.